Today, I'll show you how to replace the engine air filter on a Ford Explorer with the 2.3-liter engine. This is a quick, straightforward job. All you'll need is a screwdriver or a 7mm socket, and of course, a new air filter. I've added a link to a recommended filter down in the description. Start by releasing the hood latch. Inside the driver's footwell, pull the handle 2 times. Then, lift the hood and secure it with the prop rod. The air filter housing is right at the front of the engine bay. On the front side, you'll see an electrical connector. Press the tab firmly and carefully pull it straight off. Using your screwdriver or that 7mm socket, loosen the clamp on the intake tube. Slide the tube back away from the housing. On the left side, unclip the 2 metal clamps. Once they're loose, slide the cover slightly left to disengage the tabs on the right. Now lift the cover up and out of the way. You can now see the air filter. Lift it straight out of the housing. Check the bottom of the housing for any debris, leaves, or dirt. Remove them by hand or use a vacuum. Place your new filter into the housing, making sure it sits flush. Now let's reinstall the housing. First, slide the cover back into the 2 right side tabs. Then, snap the 2 metal clips on the left securely into place. Reconnect the electrical sensor on the front. And finally, reattach the intake tube and tighten the clamp. And that's it! You've successfully replaced the engine air filter on your Ford Explorer. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more simple DIY car maintenance guides. Thanks for watching.